Hello friends, I'm Omid and this is the third part of JEP 430 feature. Please stay with me. Readability makes the code cleaner and easier to understand compared to concatenation. Less error-prone, reduces the likelihood of missing or misusing concatenation operators or format specifiers. More maintainable, as the number of embedded variables increases, interpolation keeps the code simpler. Template expressions are a new kind of expression in the Java programming language. Template expressions can perform string interpolation but are also programmable in a way that helps developers compose strings safely and efficiently. When a template expression is evaluated at runtime, its template processor combines the literal text in the template with the values of the embedded expressions in order to produce a result. STR is a template processor defined in the Java platform. It performs string interpolation by replacing each embedded expression in the template with the value of that expression. STR is a public static final field that is automatically imported into every Java source file. Now let's see an example. Here is the what we can use STR template. This template expression consists of a template processor, which is STR, a dot character, and a template which contains an embedded expression. When a template expression is evaluated at runtime, its template processor combines the literal text in the template with the values of the embedded expressions in order to produce a result. If you get this error when running your project, please do these changes in configuration of your IntelliJ IDEA. And also adding VM option to your run configuration. The template of a STR can span multiple lines of source code, using a syntax similar to text blocks.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, likes and share this video for friends. If you wanna learn, join and enjoy.